Life is lit, take a breath. It's it. Now it's wild. Shit a trip. Life is litty, the gift. Chime in.
What it is, what it do, welcome back to the channel. My name is Obi. If you're new here, this is my 2019 WRX base model that I am building. If you want to see all of the parts that I put on here so far, please browse to the channel, take a look. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you want to follow the journey going forward, consider subscribing. But anyway, right now I'm in the process of actually retrofitting my headlights with the actual Diode Dynamics C lights. I'm painting them black, and I'm going to do a little something different with the actual reflector. But I got a box in the hand right here. Why do I have this box, you ask? So I'm almost to 100 subscribers, and I want to give away because I want to appreciate you guys for actually following my dream. This is something I really want to do. So I'm giving this boost controlled solenoid Grim Speed, one of the best ones that are out there. When you're building your car, everyone rock the actual Grim Speed boost control solenoid. But I'm giving this away to a lucky subscriber once I hit that 100. I'm not that far away. So please, please, please let me give this away. I want to give it away. So anyway, moving right along. I'll show you yesterday. I've already started the deconstruction of the headlights. I basically removed everything. I'm painting the actual, the chrome part right now, of course, black. Everyone does it. A lot of guys are out there putting the headlights in the actual oven. We ain't baking cookies here. Subaru actually made the adhesive pliable enough so you can actually pull it off. A little bit of heat, like have a heat gun, you got a heat gun, you're good. A little bit of heat. Don't put it in the oven. Like I said, you ain't baking cookies. You ain't baking cookies. This is what I'm gonna do with the actual reflectors. I'm going blue. So again, a lot of guys go yellow right there. I wanna do a little blue. Did a little research. It's not illegal. It ain't illegal, so don't worry about it. I'm also going to be putting in this here, which is my F1 style third brake light. I'm super stoked about that. Big up to Burns Auto. I got that from there. So if you guys want some parts, this is my first time actually shopping with them. It was a great experience. I got it when they said it was going to come. So big up to Burns Auto. I'll shout them out. I'll put a link in the description below to where you can actually get items from them. I'm going to get cracking on this, and I'll be back in a second. Like I said, I'm trying to do this in the midst of watching the little one while the wife is out, and I don't need her burning our house down. So. Got the actual inserts out. So tomorrow, I'm going to call it for tonight, but tomorrow I'm going to start painting this. I need to cover this up to make sure that there's no dust or anything like that get on it. I will say, taking these out and actually getting the shrouds off, or the actual cover off here, it wasn't that bad, but it wasn't that easy. That adhesive that is on there is super sticky. So I do say use a little heat. I just went ahead and fast forward because, like I said, this is going to be a 2-day thing. Once I get everything painted, I'm going to put everything back together. Then the next step is actually getting in my actual third brake light. All right, so got the reflectors, these things here. I got those painted. So I know a lot of people are very meticulous about getting that inside painted right there, all up in there. I really don't care. The reason being is because this is going to be covered by the C light, also the C light cover. So there's no real point to be super meticulous about that on the inside. So yeah, I'm going to start constructing, putting things back together so I can actually get it back on here and back in the housing, or actually do the other way. Get the sea lights in those to get into here, to get that on there, and blah, blah, blah. All right, so I got them back in the housing. So far, so good. Everything's looking pretty decent. Didn't scratch the paint or anything like that. I gotta clean these housings because it has just adhesive all on it. Big shout out to Diode Dynamics, hometown heroes. They're from my hometown of St. Louis, Missouri. That's one of the reasons why I decided to go with Diode Dynamics instead of the Morimoto. Each one has its pros and cons. Morimoto, the actual LED is a little brighter than the amber, and then the Diode Dynamics amber is a little brighter than the LED. So, I mean, each one has its perks. We're splitting hairs at that point. So, but yeah, I had to support my hometown, you know, boys that do that. So the next thing I'm going to do, as far as a mod, I'm going to replace these lights here from the halogen. I'm going to go back to Diode Dynamics and get a set of LEDs out of there. So, all right, they are all done. Oh, dude, that looks so sick. So yeah, I am going to call it for tonight, and I am going to install these tomorrow. It's 9 o'clock. I'm tired. I'm hot, and I've been working at this for a bit, but I got everything back in there. Got to clean the housing, man. This house, I hate that. Oh God, I hate that adhesive. It gets on everything. But anyway, yeah. All right, I'll holler at you in the morning. All right, we are in day 10. I ain't even lying about that. But anyway, I know last night I told you that I was going to finish everything up. I did get my third brake light in, and like I said, I'll give a grand overview. That is crooked. It's not that crooked. But anyway, yeah, I got the actual gurney flat back on there. You see that there after it's knocked off. Got my third brake light, and never mind that it's a little crooked. It's just a little bit crooked. Not enough to annoy me for right now. But anyway, I am going to got my lip in. So let me show you this here. I got the Icon. Here's the box right here. Got the Icon lip, so not expensive. Do you think I should paint it blue or anodized blue? What do you think? Let me know. I'm asking a lot of questions, you guys, because like I said, I need your feedback. Tell me what you think. Tell me what my next mod should be on the car. Should I try to go for a set of tail lights? Should I go for the top mount intercooler? Should I go for the Cobb, the E85 kit? Yes, I should. Let me know what you guys think, because like I said, I want to keep building this car, and I want to include you guys in on the build as well. Give me the feedback. Tell me what you like and what you don't like, what I should change, what I should take off, what I should put on. Tell me what you guys think. But anyway, let me get cracking. I'm gonna turn my car around. Let me get cracking on actually putting the lip on before the wife has to get out of here. So I'll be right back.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I mind my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Ay, crew in the cut, hey, you want us, rep run when I tell a big piece. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy, they living like he happening. But with they just give them estimates. Somersaults for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt and Chevy, make a scene, baby. I like BB, been the team, baby. Been Papa, work the team, baby, look. So I'm finished, got a handful of limits through the head. Got a bag, got a hands in the business. For my hand is a ticket, talking margin for the business. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, I've been playing with the minutes. Like they bitch, that they can. And they love me, bitches, that they bitch. dumb shit. Watch how I move, cause I know the brink's coming. Watch for the blues, cause I know that they dumping. Nothing in my view, so it's hush on discussion. Hush on discussions, you know what you need to. I keep it in the fam to let you know that I don't need you. Y'all cats be see-through, head nods the peace. You been king, I'm regal. Got it, switch, she got vision just like you do.
Bring up with the switchback. Born and living like he having it. Growing bitches give him estimates. Somersaults for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Jerry and Chevy make a scene, baby. LABB been the team, baby. When they pop up, what the team, baby. Look, bad to a finish. Had a head full of minutes through the head. Got a bag, got a hands in the business. For my hand, it's a ticket to the margin for the business. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been
playing with the minutes that they been shoulda gave. And I'm flipping every digit that they been shoulda paid. Had to find a way to get it. No, this isn't what you made. If I ever wanna dip, then I'm break with the blade. And I'm breaking a blink on the brink of some dumb shit. Watch how I move, cause I know the brink's coming. Watch for the blues, cause I know that they dumping. Nothing in my view, so it's hush on discussion. Love is love. Love is